There may be times when you want to work on test questions for your Blackboard course, but you don't necessarily want to be logged into Blackboard, or you can't be logged into Blackboard. For example, maybe you're on an airplane traveling somewhere and you have no internet connection. Well, you can create questions in programs such as Microsoft Excel and Notepad and do that offline and save your questions and then upload them to Blackboard later, and they'll work just fine. So in this first example, I want to show you how you can use Excel to create test questions. So you open up Microsoft Excel, and there is no header row. You start building your questions right on row 1. And each type of question has its own particular format. There is a tip sheet document in this Blackboard course that you can print out to have at your desk side if you want to see the format for each question. But I'll explain briefly at least these 4 in this video. The first one is a multiple choice question. So in the first column, you type in MC for multiple choice. Then in the second column, you type in the question of the text of the question. Which rock band has a one-armed drummer? And now you start putting the options for your multiple choice answers. Styx is incorrect. Def Leppard is correct. Triumph is incorrect. And Rush is incorrect. And you could have as many multiple choice answers as you wanted for your question. So that's the format for that type of question. The next one is multiple answer. So you see in the first column I've got MA. And there is the body of the question. Which of the following bands are Canadian? Choose all that apply. And then you put your answers following that. Rush is correct. Three Doors Down is incorrect. Guess Who is correct. Sheriff is correct. And the Bangles are incorrect. And the Talking Heads are incorrect. So it's very simple to build questions like that. You leave no spaces between these particular types of answers in these types of questions. Next, we've got a true and false one. The Phantom of the Opera is set in London, England. False is the answer to that. Very simple to do. And finally, this is a matching question. Match the number 1 hits on the left with the bands who created them on the right. So you can put them in here in the proper matching order, and then once you upload that to Blackboard, you will have the option of reorganizing your answers so that the students see a mixed up bag of answers. They're not linear. Call Me is Blondie. Rock With You, Michael Jackson. Sarah by Starship. Addicted to Love, Robert Palmer. And Amanda by Boston. Those are the correct answers. And like I said, when you upload this to Blackboard, you'll be able to mix those up so that the student has to match the ones on the left with the ones on the right. So there in this video are 4 examples of types of questions that you can create in Microsoft Excel. Well, the first thing you have to do is save your Microsoft Excel document. So I'm going to put that in a place where I know I can retrieve it quickly later on. Put it right here in my question pools. I'm just going to call it Music Questions in Excel. So you save it first as an Excel document. Now you have to get it into a format that is compatible with Blackboard. If you just tried to upload it as an Excel document, the questions wouldn't work. What you have to do is save it as a tab delineated text file. So you click Save As. I'm going to put it in the same directory, but this time I'm going to choose this one right here, Tab Delineated Text Document. Okay, same question title, and save. And it says here, the selected file does not support workbooks that contain multiple sheets. That's okay. I only want the first worksheet anyway. Now it's telling me Music Questions in Excel. This particular file may contain features that are not compatible with text eliminated documents. Do you want to keep the workbook in this format? To keep it in this format, which leaves out any incompatible features, click Yes. To preserve the features, click No. Then save a copy in the latest. So, well, I'm not really interested in preserving features that are not compatible with text eliminated, so I'm going to say no in that case. And then save. Okay, so I've already saved that. And that's how you develop questions in Microsoft Excel. In the next video, we're going to show you how to develop similar types of questions using Notepad. Thank you.